Okay, hey guys. So today I got these egg things and I opened this one and there was a mermaid and this one was in there, so it was already open. And now I'm on to my second one. So you have to rub it a bit, then you rub it loads of times and then you squeeze the heart and then it comes out, because I did that for the mermaid. And I love the mermaid because it has a mermaid and it has sparkling wings and it's purple. So I have to rub this a bit until it's a little bit pinky colour. Okay. Okay, now you need to keep rubbing. Okay, now I think we're ready for the push. Okay, now we're gonna open it. Okay, I think I got a little unicorn because I see a unicorn thing. I got another mermaid, and I got a unicorn mermaid now. Okay, now we're ready for this one. I wanted the pink one last because that's the only pink one. So let me try to open. Okay, now we're on to this one. I think it's going to be another mermaid because I think these are all mermaids. I don't know, but I think these are the I took the mermaid one, so I think it's the mermaid one. This one is a mermaid because you see it has a tail. So I think they're all going to be mermaids, and I love mermaids. So see, I'm rubbing it a bit. Rubbing it. Okay, now I'm gonna keep rubbing it because I keep when it's like cracked, that means when I rubbed all of it. Okay, now. Am I going to be on YouTube? Okay. Wait. I'm going to squeeze it. It's not squeezing. Keep rubbing. Now it hatches. So it's a pink one now. Oh, there's two in this one. Okay, now. I'm on to the pink one now. So, I don't know. This is a mermaid, so I think this one is going to be a mermaid. Or it might be like a unicorn. I don't know, because this one is the only pink one. because they're all mermaids. So this one is easy to get. Okay, now I'm going to rub the pink one in the blue ones, and the hearts are like very sparkly, but the pink one is just plain. So we're going to rub it. I like this pink and the purple. Nice. So I'm going to keep rubbing it. I'm going to count to 100 and then it's going to crack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 200. Okay, now I'm gonna hatch it. It hatched. I think this is going to be a clear special one. It is clear. Okay, I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to put it in there. Then I am putting it. Oh wow, guys, look at this one. Guys, this is a nice clear one. This one is not a mermaid because this one was pink in the pink one because this was the only pink one. So this one is a nice clear one and it has sparkles on it. So let's go and check our things. So let's check them. So okay, these ones are going to go down. And this one is going to go here. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Bye, guys.